Here we have the poem Dust of Snow. It's written by Robert Frost. Students, I will read and have a gap so you can repeat after me. So let's start. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So this is a very beautiful poem written by Robert Frost, children, and it has only 8 lines. You can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines are there, but this poem has a very deep meaning. First go literal meaning. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So here the poet is standing under a hemlock tree, and a crow came, sat on the branches and just shook down dust of snow on the poet Robert Frost. Has given my heart. It means he was not happy, he was sorrowful, he was disappointed. That's why he says has given my heart. Has given my heart means this made him happy. This made his mood light. His sullen mood just changed from that sad to good. A change of mood. Mood is a state of mind. And save some part of a day I had rued. And some part of that day was just saved by such kind act of the crow. Of a day I had rued. Rued means he was regretting. He was in regret. Why was in regret? It means something had taken place that his mood was sullen. He was not happy, and he was just lost in his thoughts and kept on walking out of his home. When he kept on walking, he was lost in his thoughts. He was completely disappointed. He came and he just happened to be under a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree, student, hemlock tree is a poisonous tree of European country. Why has he used hemlock tree? Basically, hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, and such kind of things always bring negativity to one's mind and state of situation. See, this hemlock tree brings all negativity. Crow. Crow is also known as harbinger of sadness, harbinger of some bad omen. But here crow made his mood happy, made him joyful. Though he was in deep sorrow, he was in sullen mood. It is not written in the poem why was he upset, why was he in sullen mood, why was he disappointed. But it seems that nature has all the power to change one's mood. Though crow is used over here. Basically, students, poets use cuckoo bird, manna, or such kind of the peacock, such kind of birds like nightingale to bring beauty in their poem. But what Robert Frost has done, he brought crow in his poem, and it's not only he wrote about crow. He says that this crow that is considered as a bad omen, that is considered a harbinger of bad things, it is taken as that he brought all the positivity in Robert Frost's life because he is a part of a nature. So nature has nothing like bad or good. Nature has nothing like negative and positive. It is all our attitude. In this poem he says small things have deep meaning and deep influence on human mind. And these small things, these small acts made a big change in human life. This small act of crow that he came, he sat on a hemlock tree branch and he shook down dust of snow on Robert Frost, and this made him day, and his day that was completely he was regretting due to some disappointment that rest of the part of the day was saved by crow. Dust of snow is what? Dust of snow is not only dust of snow, that flake of snow. No, this is just symbol over here that nature has all the power. Nature's each and every minute thing has all the power to change from negativity to positivity. And our one small act can bring different results in future, and obviously better and the best result in future. If we keep on doing small work of filled with kindness, filled with fraternity, brotherhood, so it will change our life. We will witness better future if we keep on working on the basis of or on the principle of kindness. So here the crow was quite kind to Robert Frost.